This is the RCA Female Solder Connector with strain relief. An RCA connector is designed to carry audio or video signals. With this color-coded connector, you can easily make your own RCA cable or repair an existing cable. This connector can fit cable that is 12 AWG or smaller. The nickel plating and strain relief molded into the connector make this a perfect solution for a secure, long-lasting connection. Turn your audio game up to 11 with this RCA Female Solder Connector with strain relief. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.